Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video you will watch beautiful crochet top and blouse designs. So if you're new here, please subscribe our channel, like this video and press the bell icon button so you never miss our latest video. You can share it with your friends and crochet lovers. You can watch beautiful and in different colors tops, blouse designs. These are trendy and latest new designs. These are handmade and very beautiful, trendy. Everyone want to wear these beautiful tops and these are demanding in markets. So you watch our video. These are lightweight, open mesh stitches, floor motifs or playful ruffled details. Sweaters, breathable lightweight tops with vertical strips or wide sleeves that works well of layering. So if you're new here, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching whole video.